Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dry erase table is probably one of the most versatile and engaging pieces of furniture you can introduce into your child's play area, transforming ordinary drawing sessions into dynamic, mess-free creative adventures where imagination knows no bounds, allowing them to doodle, learn, and play without the constant need for paper, making it an eco-friendly and endlessly entertaining hub for artistic expression and educational activities. Number 5. Step 2 Deluxe Art Master Desk and Chair. This versatile desk provides a flat surface perfect for all your child's creative endeavors, from drawing to writing. It even includes clips to proudly display their masterpieces, all complemented by a comfortable chair. Designed to foster imagination, this set encourages self-expression and learning through engaging play. It's the perfect space for young artists to explore their potential. Keep art supplies tidy with integrated trays and a convenient cup holder for markers and pencils. Its comfortable stool supports up to 75 pounds, making it a practical and organized space. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply use disinfectant wipes or common household cleaners to maintain a sanitary play area. Adult assembly is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. Constructed from durable, double-walled plastic, this desk is designed for years of enjoyment. Its vibrant colors are resistant to chipping, fading, cracking, and peeling, ensuring lasting quality. Crafted for toddlers aged 3 and up, it offers a safe and engaging environment for artistic exploration. This activity table and chair set is an ideal addition to any young creator's space. What we like? This desk and chair combo offers a dedicated space for your child's creative endeavors. With integrated storage and a comfortable stool, it keeps art supplies organized and within reach. If you're looking for a robust, long-lasting art station that encourages independent play and creativity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific product features or facts can be extracted as points. Number 4. Dry Erase Whiteboard 16 by 12 Desktop with Stand. This versatile double-sided dry erase board offers maximized writing space, allowing you to tackle 2 projects simultaneously. It's perfect for small group teaching, home lessons, or simply jotting down important memos. Designed for ultimate convenience, you can easily carry it from room to room or take it on trips and holidays. Its ability to hang or stand ensures you can place it almost anywhere to keep your important reminders visible. This 16 by 12-inch lightweight set comes complete with 10 magnetic markers, magnets, an eraser, and a holder. Its ideal size fits perfectly on office desktops, study tables, or kitchen counters, making it a super value pack. Featuring a solidly built, double-sided stand-up easel, it offers a 360-degree adjustable viewing angle. It can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand securely on your desk without sliding or falling. Enjoy a smooth and sturdy writing surface that's incredibly easy to write on and wipe clean without leaving any stains. This safe and durable lapboard provides ample space for all your notes and drawings. It's an ideal gift for anyone, from students to professionals, enhancing creativity and boosting drawing or writing skills. Use it for math practice, lesson plans, or as a personal calendar in any room. What we like? This compact whiteboard provides maximized writing space with its double-sided design. Its portable stand allows for 360-degree viewing and easy placement anywhere. If you need a versatile, on-the-go solution for notes, teaching, or creative expression that comes with a complete accessory pack, this board is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted. Number 3. Pink Kids Travel Tray. Keep your little ones entertained and organized during any journey. This versatile tray provides a stable surface for play and activities, making travel a breeze for both kids and parents. Don't worry about accidental spills or messes. Its waterproof surface is easy to clean, ensuring a hygienic and stress-free experience wherever you go. It features a large, no-drop tablet holder, perfect for keeping devices secure. Your child can enjoy their favorite shows or games hands-free, preventing drops and damage. This isn't just a tray, it's a complete card desk organizer. It helps keep snacks, toys, and art supplies neatly contained, transforming any space into a functional workstation. Whether it's a long road trip, a flight, or just a short car ride, this is an indispensable travel companion. It makes every journey more enjoyable and manageable for toddlers and young children. What we like. This travel tray is designed to keep kids entertained and organized on the go. Its waterproof surface and large tablet holder make it ideal for various activities without mess. If you're planning road trips or flights and need a durable, functional lap desk to keep your little one engaged, this is a must-have. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted or quoted. Number 2. QZMTOY Kids Art Easel, Deluxe Standing Easel Set. This wooden standing art easel offers a fantastic screen-free play option for your children. It comes packed with a double-sided drawing board, storage, and a complete set of art supplies. Its height is fully adjustable, growing with your child from toddler to young artist. Plus, it easily transforms into an art table or desk for homework and other activities. The dry erase and chalkboard surfaces are perfect for developing fine motor skills and proper pencil grip. They provide an ideal space for practicing first letters, numbers, and words, fostering artistic ability. This deluxe wooden standing art easel makes an excellent gift for children aged 3 and up. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to spark their creativity. Crafted from sturdy and durable materials, it's built to last and resist deformation. It's also incredibly easy to assemble, use, and store, making it perfect for toddlers. What we like. This versatile art easel transforms from a standing board to a flat art table. With both a dry erase board and chalkboard, it supports diverse artistic activities and skill development. If you want a flexible art station that grows with your child and offers multiple ways to create, this adjustable easel is a fantastic option. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source JSON. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. PILLANI Kids Travel Tray. Make travel fun and easy for your little ones with this innovative travel tray. It's designed to keep them entertained and organized on the go. This versatile tray easily attaches to car seats, providing a stable surface for activities. It transforms any journey into an engaging experience. It comes packed with fun activity sheets and pens, sparking creativity and keeping boredom at bay. Your child will love exploring new adventures. Whether you're on a long road trip or flying high, this is your essential companion. It ensures a smoother, more enjoyable journey for everyone. More than just a tray, it functions as a convenient lap desk for toddlers. They can draw, snack, or play comfortably wherever they are. Say goodbye to messy car rides and restless kids. This product makes travel stress-free and enjoyable for both parents and children. Give your kids the gift of entertainment and comfort on every adventure. It's the ultimate solution for happy travels. What we like. This travel tray comes packed with activity sheets and pens, providing instant entertainment for kids. Its sturdy design creates a stable surface for drawing, snacking, or playing in the car or airplane. If you're seeking an all-in-one travel solution that minimizes boredom and maximizes convenience for your child, this tray is an excellent pick. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.